It's another sunny Saturday morning and I'm at the doctor again to get my results from last week. So hopefully they tell me something good. Fingers crossed. This is Mondu and I love him.
Mom.
This is Mondu.
Mondu.
Yeah, that's how you say that. Mondu. This little guy is licking my toes. Hey, pup. Hey. Hey. You're so fluffy. You're soft. Hi, bud. What's her name?
I don't know. Who's in their name?
Your little dumb face. This dog looks like Steve Buscemi. You see his face? Oh yeah, definitely. And then there's this little piggy guy. Oh, I'm sorry. You're not a pig. You look like a pig. The queen is ignoring me.
It's only 8 months.
Really? He has a new girlfriend. She's beautiful.
What's up?
Meanwhile, I have Steve Buscemi. This ugly little dog has chosen me. She's wearing a dress. Say hi. And her breath smells. But she seems to love me. Oh, that's a good shot. Oh, yeah. This is a really cute street in Nampo. Lots of cute little shops. Like this one. This one, everything is $10, but I don't really like anything here. But I guess. Shoes. Fake designer bags. Ooh, I love it. So 80s.
Good quality.
Genuine Levi's. I wonder what year this is from. We're in Book Alley where there's just millions of books. On this little tiny street. It's really cute. But not many English books, I think. Found the mother lode of English books. Literally everything here is English. It's amazing. And one random Russian book. This book was published in 1955. It's so old. Wow. It's a murder mystery. So we were seeing all these kind of 1950s books and wondering how they got here. And I said, oh, probably like soldiers brought them over during the war. And then we find this. This guy's name, address, and then Ministry of National Defense. So I'm assuming this is June 10th, 1960. That they brought this during the war and then just left it behind. 1960. Is the war still happening at this time?
1960. I think it's end of war.
The end of the
I
war?
don't know. I'm confusing.
So maybe he like left and then just left all his shit here. And now this random men selling this for $1. And all of these books are like 1950s style. So cool. Okay, I think my theory is correct because some of these books say, send this book to a boy in the armed forces anywhere in the USA, only 3 cents. And this book was published in 1943, which would have been just before the war. A few years, so then probably it was sent here. And I'm just going to spend my whole day here now looking through these vintage books because that's awesome. I just found this book that was stolen from a library in Sault Ste. Marie, Canada. And I think that's hilarious. Where is it? Oh yeah, here we go. The children's room, really. Taking a donut break. Except my hands are so dirty from touching all those old books.
Read there's people.
Many hours later, I've had a nap. Okay, my outfit. I'm wearing a jacket because it's winter again, apparently. Black leather pants, boots, black sweater. Where are we going?
First, we're going to eat some Vietnam food.
Yep.
And then after that,
Yep.
meet my friend's couple.
Yeah.
And we are gonna eat a second dinner.
Second dinner.
Yeah, usually for drinking. Clam barbecue,
Clam barbecue.
I think.
Let's go. This plate is huge. A hand for reference. 3 whole hands full. What did you get?
It's a Vietnam fried noodle.
Smells good.
Yeah, it's basically. I think you will learn that it's basically I think soy sauce.
So we had our first dinner, and now we're waiting for his friends to come from another city, from Daegu, and then we're gonna go eat some clams on the beach. Maybe. Maybe on the beach. I'm not sure. I hope on the beach. It smells so good. Yeah. It smells like the ocean. So we just got to Changsapo, which is this little neighborhood by the water, and there's not much here, but there is clams apparently, right?
Yeah, actually, that place, I found that place is good too. And maybe there is more.
We should walk down there.
Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss it. And you miss it.
So far, every single clam, shellfish, I don't know what they're called, those creatures that live on the water, have tasted totally different from the others, and they're really, really, really good. Really good.
Is as normal, missing someone.
Good morning, it's Sunday morning. I realized I didn't vlog anything at all last night after that first drink. I just don't know what happened. Like I said, I was just living life. I never thought I would put so much of my unmakeuped face on the internet, but here we are. Today I'm just going to edit and then we're gonna clean our house, right babe? Yeah, we're gonna clean the house. And then maybe we'll go on a tiny adventure. I don't know yet. I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, we finally finished cleaning our house and cleaning ourselves. Well, me, you did not shower.
Hey.
And now we're gonna go eat some food. And I was too lazy to curl my hair, so this is what I look like. Outfit, denim jacket, gray sweater, black jeans, running shoes. Chill. Let's go. We just got some tiny mini croissants from this place. It's really good. I'm excited. Okay, I'm really ashamed to admit that we're eating Vietnamese food again for the third time this weekend.
Really? Wow.
Unconcerned. Also, I just ate a piece of this, I think what is cucumber, and I described it as a cross between an almond and an apple, and then I realized it's just a cucumber. Does that not look delightful? I already started mixing it, but I can't wait. You guys, I've been a fool my whole life. I have thought that food was delicious. I didn't know anything until I tried this dish right here. This is literally the most delicious food I've ever eaten in my whole entire life. We just got these bad boys. Look at how big that is.
Like this sauce. Just like this. Maybe this sauce too. Next time.
Good? I'm extraordinary full right now. Like, I try not to usually eat until I feel like I'm gonna explode, just as a general life rule, but I ate that until it was done. And so loud.
Again.
And I don't regret anything. So now we're trying to figure out what to do because our plan was to go walk around, but we're so full that like our hearts are saying just go home and go take a nap. But it's not healthy. No, don't follow your heart. It's not healthy, so maybe we should go walk around. Oh my god, my arm hurts. Oh yeah, I still have my little croissants here. But I'm too full to eat them. We just popped home for a second and I put on some much comfier pants. I know they look exactly the same, but they're actually purple. You can see that. Can you see that? And now we're gonna go eat some dessert. Also, I know I said we were extremely full, but dessert, you gotta do it.
Yes, dessert time.
Yeah.
It's good for healthy.
Yeah. So I've wanted to go to this place ever since I moved to Korea, actually, because I always thought it was so cute. And I never went there, and now we're gonna go. I mean, not for dinner, but to get some tiramisu, if they have it. This is really cute. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm totally in love with this place and I want to move in here ASAP. So we just left the wonderful cafe and now we're gonna go home and I'm gonna edit this video and we're just gonna chill, enjoy our clean house. Yeah. And that's it. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please subscribe down below and give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you next weekend. Bye.